These are the elevators at the Parkstone Apartments in Alexandria, Virginia. We got some Elevonic 401s. Here we are in 16. Love the noise of the motor generator. Wants to close so quickly, wow. B? Let's get a cab view. These are pretty nice. Cabs are a little worn, and these aren't the smoothest elevators, but they're still really cool though. I mean, they're 401s after all. Here we are in B. Closes very quickly. Back up to 16. Whee! Here we are in 16. Send that one down. Let's get a view. Out there's a couple more apartment buildings. If you look all the way in the distance, you can see Washington, D.C. and the famous Washington Monument. Can't get a view of a whole lot else, but there's the E-lofts over there. Let's head back down. I think that one's the freight elevator. I don't know if this one's working or not. I swear I hear it, but I guess it just doesn't work. Either that or it's parked in the lobby on independent service. Which one? Same one I got. I want a different one. Got a different one now. This one. Hopefully this one's more polite than the other one. Oh, a little bit, but not by much. B. There's your emergency phone. There's your fire phone. Your buttons. This one's smoother than the other one. Triple chime. What floor?
Lobby. Thank you.
You have a wonderful day. Whee! Quite the drop. We'll go back up to 16. Whee! Take off. The beeper is also very loud and properly working. There's the interlock. Back down to B. I think I'll take this for one more ride. Assuming I don't get kicked out of here. That lady that got on looked kind of freaked out. Actually, you know what? I think I'll just end on 16. These are awesome. And here we are. And well, there it goes. And that will be it.